my name is Jana. I work at KAMERAZ. I am a full-time employee and I do wedding photography as well as lifestyle. And today we're going to be checking out the Loupedeck Plus. Working in KAMERAZ means that we have the coolest photo gallery next to our shop. That is why we have people and we have the awesome prints in the background. We would like to invite you to come and check it out when you have some time. Come drink an awesome cup of coffee. It is amazing. As a wedding photographer and working full-time, I don't have a lot of time for editing. So the Loupedeck Plus has made my editing time half. It is amazing, it is wonderful, and I want to show you how that works. So today we're going to work on Lightroom Classic because that is my main editing software, as well as on Windows. So don't worry, it does work on Apple, it'll be awesome, and it does have the same features. So as soon as you open your Loupedeck, you're going to see there's a lot of random dials. It looks very intimidating. Don't worry, it's quite easy to figure out. As soon as you have downloaded the software of the program, you will see that on your computer there's an app installed so that you can customize all of your different dials as you like it. But for today, we're going to keep it super basic. So when we have the Loupedeck in front of us, you can see it looks like a keyboard, but without all the normal numbers and letters. So just a quick overview. As you can see, all the normal things that you need to change on your Lightroom on your pictures, like the highlights and the shadows, such as that. This is here in the middle. And then we have a lot of function buttons. They're all numbered differently from L to C. We'll go through that. And it's quite cool. We have the different colored dials that we will be able to change with the different colors. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the engagement shoot that I did a while ago. It's pretty cool. As you can see, there's nothing done to the photo just yet. So for my specific style, I use presets. So I have customized the presets on the Loupedeck so that I know that I'm ready to edit. So if you look at the P1 to 8, that is where you can put your presets. So P1 is my main preset. Now it has applied to the photo and you can see, okay, so it's a bit overexposed. Let's go to the exposure dial. Let's just dial it down a bit. Okay, just like that. Okay, so not too much. And then maybe I want a bit more contrast. Let's give it a bit more contrast. But I don't like all of the highlights, so I'm going to go to the highlights dial, take it down, and then a bit of the blacks, go to the black dial. There we go. As you can see, it is sharpened. It looks pretty cool. Okay, so her face is very shiny. I'm not crazy about it, so I want to adjust her face that is not as shiny. So to get to the adjustment brush, I press the L1, and then we're at the adjustment brush. So I'm still gonna have to use my normal keyboard to do the adjustment, but you can actually change the size of the dials, so the size of the brush with the control dial. So to the left is smaller and then to the right is a bit bigger. So we have changed that. Let's say we're gonna soften skin, zoom in a bit. Okay, let's just make it a bit bigger. Let's soften that for her. So I'm happy with that. And then press done. And we're good. Okay, so this photo, you can see it's slightly skewed. It was very much in the moment. So first of all, I'm gonna add the preset again. Okay, there we go. And then now I want to crop it to make sure that it is level. Okay, so what you do is you turn the control dial. Okay, so we're gonna turn it. So I want it more to the left side. No, I want it more to the right side. There we go. Okay, so when you have decided, okay, you're happy with that, then you press on the control dial. But I have decided that I want to crop more of the photo, so then the D1 is to zoom in on your crop. Okay, so I want to be focusing on that, and I move down to focus on the couple and not to cut their feet off, and then I press on the control dial. There we go. Okay, once again, it's a bit bright, so I'm going to use the black dial to darken it a bit. And I feel that the temperature is maybe a bit too yellow, so from the temperature, let's take it more bluish. There we go. And I feel like it's a little bit too pink, and the tint, so let's go to the tint dial, make it less pink. There we go. So that is, color is now neutralized. I like it this way. As you can see, the Loupedeck cuts your editing time in half. It's pretty awesome. I'm very excited to hopefully get one soon. Nudge wink wink sponsors, you know. It's really been so easy for me. I'm actually frustrated going back to my laptop and just working on it, because like everything is just here. It's just at my fingertips, and now I have to go back to my laptop. So I'll save up for this. I like the fact that I can customize everything. I like the fact that I have my own presets, but they also have presets, so it gives me the opportunity to expand my brand, to maybe bring something different and not have the same thing at all over and over again. I like that it's really, even for like exporting, everything is here. I don't have to worry about finding shortcuts. Everything is already a shortcut, so that's awesome. We hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned a bit about the Loupedeck. We hope to give you more information. We didn't cover everything today, so if there is questions that you have, please comment. Otherwise, come visit us in the store. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, share it with your friends, and then in the future we will give you more information and the content that you want. Thanks guys, bye.